What's up, gang? Welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang at TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. Okay, it's your girl Jeanina here, and I am back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, I promised you guys a makeup haul, because if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I have been purchasing so many new makeup releases and just so much makeup, period. So I thought I would give you guys a cute little cozy unboxing. It is late in the evening, okay? The sun is still out. I kind of love sitting in the natural lighting, so I thought this would be a nice spot just to sit in the natural lighting, sip me a glass of plum wine with some frozen fruit. Girl, I got my candle over there, and we're gonna do a little unboxing, okay? So if you guys want to see that, keep on watching. The sun keeps poking in and out of the clouds, girl. Playing with my lighting, okay? It ain't been doing that all day. Now all of a sudden I start filming, the sun wants to play with me, okay? Don't play with me. The first package I'm gonna open here is from Lens Beauty. It's a cute little pink packaging. I'm in love with the packaging, girl. If you never heard of Lens Beauty, girl, I haven't either. Okay, I was literally on Instagram, and lately Instagram has been suggesting me different like brands and people that I don't know or that I didn't sign up for notifications or anything. So for some reason Instagram just showed it to me and I fell in love. So it's a black owned brand, and of course I will have all of these brands and all of the items mentioned here in the description box down below with links. So if you guys wanted to check it out, I advise you to check it out. So Lens Beauty is a black owned brand, and I feel like she's very luxury. I feel like she has mostly lip products like lip liners and lipsticks and lip glosses, and one of her popular items are this nude gloss and this dark brown lip liner. So I decided to try it because I did a little research on her, of course, before I purchased it. I looked at some reviews. I looked at like real people like putting the makeup on, and I just thought it was just so nice. And I have been in the market for like some new lip products lately, because y'all know like Juvia's Place is my favorite lip liners, but I've been looking for like new things to try. So this is Lens I guess card right here. So I think it's Lens Lash, Lips, and Luxury. So it's either Lens Beauty or Lens Lashes, but she's mostly known for lip products. So her campaigns seem like they're really, really nice on her Instagram. So I'll put all that down on the description box below so you guys can check it out. So I purchased a lip gloss and a lip liner. So this is the lip gloss here, and it is, and what color is this? This is a new one, Bear With Me. So the color is right here, and to me it just looked like the perfect nude. I feel like she has like the perfect nudes, especially for the brown skin girls. Ooh, and here's the packaging. It's giving me CALI Cosmetics. It's giving me CALI Cosmetics, but it's really, really luxurious and weighted. It feels really nice. So I cannot wait to try that. Here's the lip liner, and this is in the color Express, or is it Espresso? No, it's Express. So it's in the color Express, and it is a dark brown. They actually had another darker brown than this. The other one they had, I think it was Ebony, and it was super dark. So they're definitely like really inclusive when it comes to the shades. So this is how it looks out of the packaging. So it's like that color. So yeah, I definitely cannot wait to try these lip products from Lens Beauty. The shipping was a little rocky for me. They use USPS, and y'all know I hate USPS. So we had like a little discrepancy with the shipping. But it wasn't Lens Beauty's fault. It was USPS's fault. They couldn't find like my PO box, because I have a PO box with UPS, so I guess just a UPS box. and for some reason they couldn't find the actual UPS store, and they returned my my package, but she shipped it back to me. So she was really sweet. The team is really sweet that she has, and I just can't wait to try her products, girl. So got some lip products there. Next, y'all know I went to Sephora. Okay, I went to Sephora recently, and I picked up another Too Faced concealer, the Born This Way super coverage concealer. Is it the the multi-use sculpting concealer? So I picked this up in the shade Sand, because normally I get sand or warm sand, and I needed the sand one. So I picked up sand, and then girl, then I picked up the Sephora Best Skin Ever concealer. Now, this has been buzzing all over the YouTube streets, all over the Instagram streets, girl. And y'all know I love this foundation. I do have a review of this foundation. I'll put it in the cards above, and I'll also put it in the description box below as well, so you guys can check it out. But when they announced that this concealer is coming out, I was like, I got to get this concealer, girl. Like, there's no, I have to get this concealer. So the color I got was the exact same color in my foundation match, and it is 35 in. I wanted to get some colors to highlight as well and to like bronze, but they didn't have any. They only had like 35, 36, 37. Like, they didn't really have any shades in the higher level, which were lighter. So they had mostly all of the darker shades, and unfortunately I wanted something more in the higher level to highlight with. And then the bronzer shade that I thought would be a really nice like bronzer, they didn't have either, because everybody was just going crazy and buying this stuff. So I'm just glad that I ended up getting the one in my exact shade match, so that way I could do a little bit of like, I feel like natural makeup, no makeup type of looks, because I feel like my skin has getting better. Like, I have a little bit of makeup on right now, just like a little bit of foundation, but y'all, I haven't really been putting on makeup because my skin is getting really better. Like, I'm gonna have to update you guys on my Curology journey, and I feel like the Curology is really working. Okay, back to the makeup. Next, ColourPop. Okay, this is the ColourPop. I purchased one of their new collections. Well, girl, we know it ain't new for long. We know ColourPop manufactures makeup, like, period. Okay, so I purchased a collection from ColourPop. It was like a Beach Please collection, and they had bronzers, lip glosses, all kinds of like things. And I ended up purchasing, ooh, look at this, it's cute. I ended up purchasing another bronzer, girl. Like I don't need another bronzer, girl. But it's a matte bronzer. So I got it in the shade, what shade is this? Pacific Beach. And the reason why, let me tell y'all something. The reason why I even purchased this collection, because I'm not a big ColourPop girl. ColourPop has some good things, but you guys don't really see a lot of ColourPop on my channel. But this collection specifically spoke to me because I'm from San Diego, California. You guys know I'm a military spouse, and we move around a lot, like every 2-3 years. And I haven't been home. I haven't visited home in maybe like 3 years because of like the panorama and all the stuff was going on. So I haven't really visited home in like 3 or 4 years. And all of the names in the bronzers and the lip glosses, they were all reminiscent of San Diego and just California itself. So this bronzer is called Pacific Beach, and Pacific Beach was one of my favorite places to go to in my hometown in San Diego, California. So this just really made me reminiscent, if anything, because like I said, I didn't need another bronzer, girl. But ColourPop intrigued me with the names and then the matte bronzer. So this is the packaging, and it's really big. Y'all see how mega big that is? It's like as big as my hand. So that's really nice. It's giving me Marc Jacobs vibes. Marc Jacobs normally has like the highlighters that are super big like this, and that's the color. It looks a little light to me in the pan, but I mean, we'll have to try it and see. So that's the ColourPop matte bronzer that I got. And other things that are in this box are 3 lip glosses that I purchased with the collection. So I purchased the color Newport, which is Newport, California, and there's also a Newport Beach This one is Huntington, which is Huntington Beach. That's in LA. And then this color is Solana, and there is a Solana beach in California. You see what I'm saying? So for me, it was just very reminiscent and weird, just because y'all know me. I'm like, I miss home. Sometimes I get homesick and I miss home. So this one is Solana Beach. I don't even remember what colors I purchased because I've been buying so much. So this color is Solana Beach. It's really fun, like perfect nude probably for me, for my skin tone. This one, Huntington Beach. This one, ooh, this one is a really pretty dark brown. So Huntington Beach is gonna be a fall lippy, girl. This one is Newport Beach. Oh, and this one's kind of similar. It's just a few more shades lighter than Solana Beach, I believe. Yeah. So it's just a few shades lighter than that. So everything is like really cool tone, brown and nude. I just felt like for some reason that's been my vibe. Heavily lined lip, brown lip gloss, or nude lip gloss, girl. That's just been my vibe. Next thing in my hand here, girl, is the e.l.f. HD Soft Luminous Powder. Girl, now y'all know this has been literally going viral all over TikTok, okay? I'm on TikTok now. If you guys don't know, I am on TikTok. It's at jeaninafilipina. I'll also put that down in the description box below. But I have been on TikTok lately. I finally did a TikTok. And I really like TikTok's makeup videos, and like it's kind of pushing to me a YouTube culture, but in shorter videos. Like I'm kind of enjoying the makeup stuff on TikTok. So this has been going viral on TikTok. Apparently e.l.f. has already had luminous powders, but I didn't know about them until TikTok. So I feel like it's just interesting how TikTok is bringing all of these things to light. So it's the HD Soft Luminous Powder, and it has a little bit of like soft reflectance in the powder, and it's giving me, I haven't opened it yet as you can see, but looking at the swatches on TikTok, it's giving me like Too Faced's Born This Way ethereal powder. Do you guys remember that? It's giving me that vibe, but just a little bit more glitter. I feel like it has a little bit more of some gold specks of glitter in it, and I just feel like it's gonna look really nice for like those summery looks. And also, like, I mean, I feel like we don't have to be glowing and like glittery in the summer. You can also be glittery in the winter as well. I just feel like it's gonna give me a really nice like glittery glow finish for whatever season I want to wear it at. So I went ahead and purchased this, plus the peer pressure, girl. I feel like TikTok is just giving me a lot of peer pressure. And speaking of e.l.f., you guys, I did purchase some things from e.l.f. So I have a whole e.l.f. box here, and guess what I purchased from e.l.f., you guys? It has literally been going viral everywhere. It's the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I got two different shades in them. So this is supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury, I forgot what it's called, but it's a dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's famous luminous makeup that you can use for anything, whether it's like highlighter, just a base, whatever you want to do. e.l.f. has created one. So I purchased two different colors. 6 Tan Deep. And I feel like this one is going to be my exact shade match, so all over my face. And then I purchased this one here. I think this one is the next shade darker, if I'm not mistaken, because I wanted one kind of for like bronzing and contouring, because I feel like I have an idea when it comes to something like this. I feel like these are going to be really good for like the no makeup looks, or even a clean girl look, because I've been wearing like clean girl makeup. I've been kind of like doing that clean girl look. I really like that look and trying to perfect that look. So I think these would just make it seem very seamless and nice. So yeah, this one's a little bit darker, and this one is shade 8. So that's shade 8, and that's shade 6. And they're actually pretty big, y'all. Like, they're actually pretty big. They look like they could be foundations. Very weighted. I love the packaging. It just looks really nice. So I cannot wait to open those up and use those. Last but not least, of course, another run to Sephora, girl. But this time, this is online. So if you guys pay attention to my community tab on YouTube, you guys would have seen that I did post a post from Sephora that they were having up to 20% off. I think it was 20% off of their selected foundations. Now, I immediately got on this because there are some foundations that I have been wanting to try that for some reason I just haven't been able to pull the trigger on based on the price. Like, I've been really saving my money for something that's coming up, and I'm kind of just like, it has to be worth it for me to really buy because I feel like I have so much makeup. You know, I'm decluttering, but I feel like I just have so much makeup. So there were some foundations on my wish list that I were looking at, and I was just like, girl, this is the perfect time to get some foundations. So I ended up purchasing 2 foundations that have been on my wish list that ended up being a part of the sale. So I got 20% off of each of these foundations. Like, if you guys didn't take advantage of that, girl, like, you missed out. You really did, because I was not expecting Sephora to have like some of the newest foundations on there, because they literally had some of the newest ones. And one of the newest ones that they had on there was the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear Care and Glow. Now, this is new. Lancome's Tint de Idol is not new. They do have an original formula. I think it's matte, or it might be a natural finish. This one is like a glow, and it's like a care and glow, so it has like skincare benefits in it. Lancome actually makes some really good makeup, but this is like my first Lancome foundation ever. So I really wanted to try this. I really wanted to review this for you guys on camera as well, but it was really expensive. It was something like $48 or something, and so I was just like, oh, I don't know. But then when they had this foundation sale and this was on the list, I was like, girl, I'm gonna get it. So I got it in the shade 455W, and that's how that looks there. So I ended up getting this, and I'm really excited, and I'm gonna try to put that video out for you guys real soon. The one I've been dying to get, girl, that's always sold out in this specific shade, and that's been on my wish list, is the LYS Beauty Triple Fix Serum Foundation. When this first came out, y'all, I really wanted this so bad because everybody raves about LYS. They're like Sephora's first black-owned clean beauty brand in Sephora. And everybody raved about this, but for some reason this shade is always out. So I got the shade DG6 because I feel like this is going to be my shade. I have watched so many videos that had this shade in it, and I just feel like it's gonna be my shade because they don't have this in the store. Like, you can't try the shades out in Sephora stores. It's like online only. So when they had this on the list, I was like, girl, I gotta get it. And then when I checked and they had my shade, I was like, Christmas in July, girl. Christmas in July. So I ended up picking this up, and I want to do a review for this for you guys as well, even though I know it's old and you guys have probably seen this already because it's like, you know, it's been out for a year. I'm still gonna do one on my channel because, girl, y'all know I love foundations. I have been decluttering a lot of makeup, so I'm just kind of buying new foundations, kind of buying new things. So that is all the new makeup that I have purchased so far, you guys. I cannot wait to try any of this stuff, so make sure you look out for some of these items and get ready with me, because I have some get ready with me's planned. I have some makeup reviews, girl, because we're going to definitely review that Lancome foundation, okay? So make sure you guys look out for any of these products in any of my videos, and I will also leave all of these down in the description box below just in case you guys wanted to try it or purchase it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to the channel, girl, and when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time the gang posts a video, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.